Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Works with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell, that way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2017 Ford E-350. This is going to have stock number 48084, and as you guys can tell, this is going to be our 16-foot box truck with a ramp. This vehicle does have a GVWR of 12,500 pounds. And just as we're walking around, I'll go ahead and show you guys our features. This is flex fuel capable. Our tires are in amazing condition. Here at Dash, we like to make sure that we give you guys the best quality possible. Along with our tires that are brand new, we also like to make sure that we paint the chassis underneath each and every one of our vehicles. This is to prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath. And we use a special paint for that. I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up right now. Along with our anti-rust chassis, we do have our dually rear tires, so a set of two, with of course our gasoline tank right over here. Now I'll go ahead and walk around towards this back side of the actual box and show you guys our entrance. Our box is currently closed, but this is just going to be our overall view. We do have our grab handle right on the side, and then along with that we do have our pull-out ramp and then our tow hitch right below that. I will go ahead and pull out the ramp, open up our box, and show you guys the inside. Give me one moment. I went ahead and opened up our box, pulled out our ramp. The ramp is going to come in handy whenever you're trying to load the actual cargo area. This is going to help you just go ahead and roll up your items this direction and come in here. In the box itself, we do see that we have our kickboards and our tie-down boards. Here we do have a length of 16.6, a width from side to side of 7.9, with our interior height being 6.8. We also have our rear opening width at 7.5, and then our opening height is going to come down to 6 feet. And I'll go ahead and close this up and continue our walk around. Having closed up our box, I'll finish off our walk around by showing you guys the remaining tires on this side. Of course, maintaining that we like to make sure that we give you guys the best quality possible. Along with that, we do like to detail all of our vehicles. So I will go ahead and just pop open our passenger door and show you guys a close-up inside the cab itself. In here, as you guys can tell, it is very nice and clean. Our team takes the time to make sure that all of these vehicles get fully detailed before heading out with you guys. And I'll go ahead and hop in the front steering wheel and I'll show you guys a close-up. Inside of the cab, right on the dash, we do see that it has 154,277 miles. This is our steering wheel. Over here on the door, we do have our powered locks and windows with our access to our headlights right over here next to that. Jumping on this side, we do have our AC. Right now it's running, as you can tell. It is very powerful, and it comes in handy whenever it's starting to get really hot or very cold outside. Right here is going to be a radio. This radio works well with CD player, AM, FM, aux cord, and Bluetooth. Along with that, we do have our different kinds of port connections right over here for all of our devices, with some additional storage and cup holders right in the center. Up here, we do see that this does have a clearance of 11 feet, which is nice to know. And then, of course, we do have our 3 seats. This seat actually folds up if needed, so that's nice as well. And I'll go ahead and just show you guys our close-up at our engine. Give me one moment. Here at DAS, we like to make sure that all of our vehicles get fully serviced and reconditioned, so please take a quick look at our 6.2 liter V8 gasoline engine. This engine holds 331 horsepower, and it also has an automatic transmission. That'll wrap it up for today's 2017 Ford E-350. This is going to be our 16-foot box truck with a ramp. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Make sure you guys read that small information snippet. I will be leaving information that I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you, tons, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.